Hello, this is Ari with Modern Telecom. I'm going to show you how to use soft phone apps to remote control unlocking these Fanvil door stations that we install for you. So the Android equivalent is called HTTP requests shortcuts, and the iPhone equivalent of this app is called Actions HTTP request sender. So you can search for these apps on your equivalent stores and then open them up. Now, I've already configured these, but essentially with the iPhone one, you slide this over, or you click the plus sign to add, or you slide it over and hit edit, and you give it a name, so name your door, and then there's a line of code here, which we will email to you. So this line of code, you will just copy from the email and paste it into that part there where it says the HTTP request. And on this one as well, we will hold down, we go edit, and there's the name that you put there, and then this get HTTP request command. This is the line of code that we will email to you, and you will paste it into this part of the app. And then you are able to just one-touch click to unlock the door. So I click this one. That's it. It holds the door open for 5 seconds for you. And on the Android one. And you get a little feedback notice on both the devices to say that it's done successfully. Now the Android one has an extra little feature where you can add the app into your top drawer here. And so it gives you an icon here of this kind of chevron arrow. And when you click this, it brings up a quick pop that you can just tap. So this means that you can actually get to the to unlocking the door from any screen in the phone. You don't actually have to launch the app. I wasn't able to find an equivalent app that does that on the iPhone, but it's pretty easy to just launch the app from the home screen, launch it, click the unlock, and there it goes. All right, thanks for watching.